edit a WordPress page using the Divi Builder. So once you're logged in, you'll have a bar on the top of your website, this black bar, and you click the Enable Visual Builder on the page you want to edit. So now once it loads up, it'll look like this. And when you roll your mouse over, you'll have all these different boxes that highlight that you can edit with. So say you want to change the title on your page here. You would roll your mouse over it, you get this gray little box, click on the gear icon. From here, you could change the title of the page. You want to save that now with the green checkbox. And then let's say you want to switch out an image. Also, you're going to roll over the image wherever it is. Click the gear box again. Click on this. We'll put in a new picture here. And then you click upload. Or if you don't have any photos in your media library, you can click upload files and then drag and drop them from your computer or select the folder. We're just going to use some images that we already have in the site. So we'll upload this new copy image. Click upload. It switches it out. You click the green checkbox. Let's say you want to edit some text. Go in here and you can type or delete whatever you want to show there. And then you click the checkbox again to save that. And that's pretty much how to change text and photos by rolling your mouse over the sections that have the gray box with the gear icon. You want to change the column layout, that'd be in the green box. You can click this little 3-column structure, and we can go to a 2-column, 4-column. Right now it's on a 3-column, so all you do is just switch it. So go 2-column. You can see it moved those in that one. This one's still the 3-column because it's a different green box. And that's how you do that. You can undo by doing Control Z or Command Z on an Apple computer. And those are kind of the basic edits. For hero images, you can change out too. So you just roll over this gear icon up here, go to background, click on the background image, and we could pick a different one. Here we could do, let's say it's just the coffee shop there, click upload image. You're going to see it switches out. You can put overlay, gradients, background color to make it darker. We're not going to save that here, so I exit out and it goes back to what it is. And then the main thing to remember after making all your changes on your page is to click this little purple icon, opens up, and then you want to make sure you hit publish. So I'll show that again here. Click the little purple circle at the bottom of the page when you're editing. It opens up these icons, and then you can do save draft, or you can publish. That means it'll go live and update the site on the live page. We will do publish to make this page live. And now that page would be live. Stay tuned for the next tutorial to show you how to update your top nav menu. Thanks. Bye.